still pushing it 25%. Oh, 25% covered that's margin. But you get them to push it. And then they'll pay you back.
They write it down. Like, oh, if I get 21 though. And after the house is paid, all the story.
Alright, come on.
Getting headlines.
Sure, buddy. Oh yeah, cool. It's not very very much. Who knows? Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. One of those three. Emma. The one in the green. Emma. Emma, that's my cousin. What's up with this? That's my cousin. Yeah, I think they do. Yeah, it's Emma's niece. Speak loudly, kids. Awesome! It looks like a warm up.
Yeah, I'm gonna try schooner.
Have a good one. Yeah, man.
See you later. See you guys.
See ya.
Yeah, but I have to go home to sleep.
Dust in the furniture or something. He can't.
It's gone.
We're right over there.
Thank goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
I'm not that
I will
loud.
take somewhere alone
Oh,
tomorrow.
nice hit there. Woo!
Ah.
Huh? You picking her up?
Oh, my brother's here and I'm gonna take my brother home.
I forgot it, dude. Too bad it's on that. I was one time trying to do
Mike must come back with
somehow I didn't eat it. Oh my goodness, that was like a weak ass throw down at his feet.
no shit.
There were 3 chicks. The hottest chicks you ever want to see. And they had a Hamilton, Caliber, and Lee jersey. Oh, they had almost jersey.
Like that. Cross now from right to left. Teenagers. Just there. These guys. These girls. Boys, girls. Girls.
I'm going to pretend to get volleyball again, so don't freak out.
Is he or me? No, you can go.
What's your name?
John.
What
What's your last name?
Ashburger.
Yeah.
Well, you can take it down.
Well, I don't even know where 9 points is at.
That's freaking awesome.
Is it? Like down in Chinatown?
Down by Bulltown. I know where Bulltown
Is that what's called Georgetown?
We just call Bulltown.
Yeah, I could hang out at Bullfrog Inn for a little bit and get some drinks on. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah, man.
Well, you got two sisters and take it.
Oh, you guys got your team. Yeah, I actually got bored.
You can go later on.
I'm not sure if I don't even gotta take some people along.
Everybody's like, intercourse is gonna win.